Dear colleagues, today marks the beginning of the second phase of the National Contingency Plan against the coronavirus. Therefore, at the SEK we will start working from campus, and we are welcoming your gradual return to the campus. However, because your health and safety are of a particular concern to us, and based on the core value of the SEK, enabling a human potential within a culture of care, the administrative teams led by the HR and the health and safety, they have developed a special initiative labeled Return to Campus in order to guarantee that the readiness of the campus to welcome you. When we look at this initiative, it entails a number of issues. There is a posters, stickers, in addition to videos and very well articulated manual. So we hope that as mature individuals to follow what is stipulated in this manual in order to keep healthy and safe. You know, my colleagues, that the summer semester started a few days ago, and in fact some students and parents, they would like to come to the campus. Unfortunately, they are not allowed. However, if their presence, physical presence at the campus is a necessity, they have to take an appointment. Dear colleagues, worldwide the universities, they are facing challenges, and here is the same case for the SEK. However, when we look at the directions of the government, at the advice of the Private Universities Council, and also the support of the Board of Trustees and your determination, the challenges have been transformed into opportunities, drives, and motives. Nowadays, when we look in a positive way to what's taking place in the SEK, we can see that in the SEK it becomes a paperless, the teamwork becomes the norm, the holistic approaches becomes dominant, we accommodated flexible time hours, and so on. So these are positive things that's taking place at the SEK. I will take this opportunity to thank the groups of the administrative people and the academic people who have been working for the last few weeks in order to make SEK as the model for a proactive institution, not only in Kuwait but all in the region. With your determination and enthusiasm, I'm pretty sure that Kuwait will emerge from this pandemic healthier, stronger, and safer. God bless you. God bless Kuwait, and keep it prosperous. Thank you very much.